Hello, and welcome to KnowledgeCity's course on Excel 365. This is the beginner course. My name is Steve Pollock, and I will be your instructor leading you through the lessons. In this course, you will learn the basics of Excel 365, and by the end of this course, you will be able to use the basic functions of Excel 365. Now let's talk a little bit about Excel. Excel 365 is a spreadsheet program used to organize information. It can perform complex numerical calculations. When numbers change, Excel can recalculate the answers for you. It can be customized to create charts, tables, graphs, and you can use formulas and program how to handle the data. Excel is part of the Office 365 suite, which includes many different programs. It is subscription software, so you would pay a yearly or monthly subscription to use it. Excel can work with other Office software such as Word and Access and other programs. MS Office can also be standalone software. Now let's get started with the course.